Welcome, future AI architects, to Mastering AI Coding. Become the architect. If you're a developer, data scientist, or anyone eager to truly understand and build robust AI systems, this video is for you. We're not just going through syntax. We're diving deep into the methodologies that will transform you from a coder into an architect of intelligent systems. Get ready to build, not just code, the future of AI. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, AI is no longer a buzzword. It's a foundational pillar. But simply knowing how to write a few lines of Python with an AI library isn't enough. To truly excel, you need to think like an architect, someone who understands the entire system from the ground up. This involves designing scalable, efficient, and maintainable AI solutions, not just disconnected scripts. This video will equip you with that architectural mindset, helping you move beyond basic implementations to truly mastering AI coding. The foundation of any great AI system starts with clean, organized, and robust code. This isn't just about making it readable. It's about making it functional and scalable. We'll start by emphasizing modularity, breaking down complex AI tasks into smaller, manageable functions. This promotes reusability, reduces errors, and makes testing a breeze. Think about how a building is constructed, brick by brick, section by section. Each piece serves a purpose and contributes to the whole. That's how we'll approach our AI code. Every great building starts with a blueprint, and the same applies to AI. Understanding design principles is crucial. We'll explore concepts like data flow diagrams, which help visualize how data moves through your AI system, from input to output. We'll also discuss API design for your AI modules, ensuring they are easy to integrate and interact with other components. This architectural thinking prevents future headaches, ensuring your AI scales gracefully and integrates seamlessly into larger applications. Efficiency and scalability are paramount in AI. As your models grow and data volumes increase, inefficient code can quickly become a bottleneck. We'll delve into best practices like vectorized operations in libraries like NumPy for faster computations, efficient data loading techniques, and understanding memory management. This is about making your AI run faster and handle more without collapsing under its own weight. We'll look at how to profile your code to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize critical sections, ensuring your AI solutions are not just functional, but also performant. Even the best architects need to sharpen their tools. Debugging and optimization are continuous processes in AI development. We'll cover systematic debugging techniques, including logging, using interactive debuggers, and understanding common pitfalls in AI models. For optimization, we'll discuss techniques like hyperparameter tuning, model pruning, and leveraging specialized hardware like GPUs. This isn't just about fixing bugs. It's about making your AI models more powerful and reliable, ensuring they perform optimally in real-world scenarios. No architect works in isolation, and neither should you. Collaboration and version control are essential for team-based AI development. We'll discuss best practices for using Git and GitHub for managing your AI code, handling branches, merging changes, and resolving conflicts. Effective collaboration ensures that multiple developers can work on different parts of an AI project simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes, leading to faster development cycles and more robust solutions. Think of it as a synchronized construction crew, each playing their part perfectly. The field of AI is constantly evolving. To remain an architect at the forefront, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial. We'll discuss strategies for staying updated with the latest research, frameworks, and tools. This includes following key publications, attending conferences, and actively participating in the AI community. The ability to quickly learn new techniques and integrate them into your architectural designs will distinguish you as a true master. It's about building a solid foundation but also being agile enough to incorporate new, groundbreaking materials. Becoming an AI architect means transcending the role of a mere coder. You are building systems that will impact industries, solve complex problems, and shape the future. This involves not just writing code, but understanding the business context, the ethical implications, and the long-term vision of your AI solutions. You'll be making strategic decisions that affect the entire lifecycle of your AI project. It's about leaving a legacy of intelligent, impactful systems. Congratulations on taking this journey to mastering AI coding and becoming an architect. We've covered foundational coding practices, architectural design principles, optimization techniques, collaboration, and continuous learning. Remember, true mastery isn't just about syntax. It's about vision, design, and continuous improvement. Keep building, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The world is waiting for your architectural masterpieces.